Alright, this is Kyle Davis for Milestone 2 Stand Up 1 in the first week. Uh, what I've been working on this week, we had a lot of problems with our source control and getting everything together. So I've been compiling everything together and I've been getting all those scripts together. So I got the movement from Peter. I got part of the level done from our other guys and some of their scripts. This is what I could salvage together, and I'm trying to figure out how to get everything from my stuff to go back over to them. But what we've figured out so far is that we set up our source control wrong because we have everything set up into a folder that goes within our actual uh, file, so we could just add this packet in. But what we're going to need to do, and what I've started already doing, is converting another file over together, which has all of this stuff together in a new branch that has just everything there. That way we reference everything that we need because we need certain things from the third person camera and we need certain stuff from some of our folders that we import. So getting all that stuff together and getting all the references that we need, which breaks a lot of our stuff and prevents us from building. I'm setting all that stuff up so that we have a stable build and getting all that running. It's taking slightly longer than I anticipated. I've done my 10 hours throughout the week, getting the base test of what we can save, what we can't save, what we're going to have to import after, and get everything together because we also had a bunch of versioning issues where some of our scripts just didn't have the right stuff together. So I'm getting all that, and I'm going to be resetting our Git Kraken down to a point 0 and starting off with a fresh initial commit that has everything in one folder structure. Uh, as we've been having problems when we pull down, it can't make reference to certain stuff outside of its own folder, which we need it to be able to, and it can only do that by a per project basis. So that's the intent to finish up, and I should have that running by probably Wednesday if everything goes correctly. If it doesn't, it'll definitely be done by Thursday. So that's where I'm at. It's been a little hard trying to get everything together. The biggest part was sitting through the 7 different builds to figure out what all the problems were, and each one of those takes about an hour and a half to 3 hours. So those were not fun. Other than that, from testing that off and figuring where everything needs to go, I can make the right references and start slimming down where we need to be able to actually make our builds. So we should have a functional game that works outside of Engine on localized computers within the next 2 builds here. That's basically everything that I've done this week. Signing out.